last day sa Disney. Punta kami ng Disney today.
She's excited.
Naka-Asha. Preparing na. Morning. So, kain muna kami breakfast with Asha and Wishstar.
Ano yung accent?
Breakfast mo na. Oh, mag-vlog ka na. We're going to... Yay! Specifically... Happy family. Madaming tao ah. So, nandito nga kami. This is our third day in Disney. 5 days or 1 week after nung huli. Pero this time, kasama namin sila Jada and the whole crew. Yeah. Let's go. We're here.
Tapos 4, 5, 6, 7.
So much fun. So, naka-Asha siya. It's a gift from Ninang Jack, Ninong Josh, and Ate Jada. May tambay dito. That's Wally. Oh. Wow. You know, Micah, you know his name is Oswald. Like Wally's name. We're all here now. Ay, tumulo. There. We're wearing our shirts again, syempre.
Limited edition, dalawa lang meron ko. Ay, tatlo.
Arsland muna kami. Ang aming mga favoritos. Our first ride. Later. Again. She wants to ride with Ate Jada. It's okay, baby love. Everyone is sitting. Nasa ba iba? Nandun yata. Hindi ko kita. Baby ko! Mama! Mama! Where are they? Where's Tatay and Nino? Where else? Who else? Woo! Kamusta kayo dyan? Dito ulit kami sa The J-Tor Spring. Hear this! Ang cute, diba? Super cutie. Yan sila. Wanna take a picture? Picture daw sila. Riding at Luigi's. Oh, go, go, go. Group hug. Ah, kasama ng palo.
Hindi mo na po.
tatlo. Medyo natagalan pa eh, konti. With my jowa.
Kasama mo na yung idol mo. Anong masasabi mo?
You ready?
Nahilo na naman ako.
Nahilo ka na naman. At exit. Nahilo yung kasama ko. Saan ka punta? Yay, makasakay na rin kami. Ito tayo live. Dollars na pinapamigay dito ha.
Swipe mo yung credit card.
Almost there. Hi ka. With Tata. Yay. Can I take a picture? Micah. How was it, anak?
Oh, that's my kasi. She's so scared.
Ah.
I don't wanna ride it. I'm scared. Pero ngayon, tapang niya.
Mm-mm.
Sabi niya lang sa akin, nakasmile. I'm just a little bit scared.
We're back in Sedona.
So San Francisco. Ayan. Kain muna kami. Pwede ka umorder on the phone. And then dito sa San Francisco, madaming mga kainan. Iba-iba. Mac and cheese.
Tinanong na naman ako, is that Tampa Bay? It looks like it. Ano yan?
Kay Micah. Ito yung mac and cheese. Ang sarap po. Gonna take picture with Bayma. Eh? Who is this baby? Didi? Are you really Didi? I don't think you're Didi. Are you Didi?
I'm Didi.
I think she's Didi.
I'm Didi.
No?
Didi. Didi.
Oh, solo, solo!
Yan, come here first. Ate first. Two. Ayan, your turn.
Aww.
You're scared, Didi.
Oh, Ninong. Sorry. One last. Last one. Oh. Smile. Done with eating. Moving forward naman. Moving forward. Ayan.
Kung pa din yung
Sakay kami ng Spider-Man. Oo nga eh. Ang cute ng tinapay. Baymax. Sourdough. Sourdough. You wanna take a picture? Bilisan mo na lang. Can Okay? Come here, baby. Smile up. I'm here.
Everyone just so you know, I gotta head it
One, two, smile. Thank you. Thank you, Spider-Man.
Thank you.
Kuya, sino mga bata?
Yan. Nauna.
Hi there, and come on in. Welcome to the Blue and White Engineering Brigade. Thanks to funding from Tony Stark, Web has brought together the world's most brilliant engineers and give the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes.
And here at Web, we get access to some pretty awesome tech like Vibranium from Wakanda or
443.
Transport and supervise children, please. Una vez más, para su seguridad, cuando esté a bordo de...
This is our competition. We have to beat Tatay. Okay? And Nanay.
Also, the giant monster survived. But those chain reactions did...
Sino nanalo?
Ako! Joke.
Hey, thanks for attending our open house presentation and preventing the destruction of the world as we know it. Please
How was it, girls and boys?
Ayun sila, picture naman sila yun eh.
Pagod. Ano tayo dyan? Sino tayo dyan? Hindi ko kita.